Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Chronic pyelonephritis is associated with vesico-ureteric reflex. This is true, and thus because the chronic pyelonephritis is associated with vesico-ureteric reflex, we call this as reflex nephropathy. So chronic pyelonephritis is associated with vesico-ureteric reflex. So because of this, we call it as, it is also called as reflex nephropathy. This chronic pyelonephritis is an important cause of renal damage. It causes renal damage and death from end-stage renal failure.
thank you and thank you for watching.